Welcome to ACT Notes Tutorials. My name is Bridget, and I am going to give you a quick tutorial on the corrective action request. What is a corrective action request? A corrective action request, or what I call a CAR, is an official request sent to a supplier where an item or process has been deemed to be in nonconformity and a remedy is required. CARs are normally determined during quality assurance activities. Each organization will have its own specific CAR form, process, and procedures. The definition of a corrective action request is a type of change request that documents a problem with a product or process and requests the root cause of a nonconformity be removed. There are typically 4 levels of corrective action requests. Each level depends on the severity of the nonconformity and the level of supplier management visibility required to adequately address corrective actions. The levels are: Level 1, issued for nonconformity that can be corrected on the spot and where no further corrective action response is necessary. Level 1 CARs shall be documented and issued to the supplier management level responsible for taking corrective actions. Level 2, issued when contractual nonconformity cannot be corrected on the spot. Level 2 CARs should be directed to the supplier management level responsible for initiating corrective actions. Level 3, issued to the supplier's top management to call attention to serious contractual nonconformity. Repeat nonconformities found within 1 year for the same single-point failure shall be issued as a Level 3 CAR. A Level 3 CAR may be coupled with contractual remedies such as reductions of progress payments, cost disallowances, or business management systems disapprovals, etc. All Level 3 CARs shall be coordinated with the contracting officer. Level 4, issued to the supplier's top management when a Level 3 has been ineffective or the contractual nonconformity is of such a serious nature to warrant contractual remedies such as suspension of progress payments or product acceptance activities. Level 4 CARs should be addressed to the supplier's top-level management. For Level 2 or higher corrective action requests, the CAR should clearly state that the request should be treated by the supplier as a customer complaint. This will ensure that information is reviewed by the supplier as part of the corrective action system. The government shall cite the following minimum requirements for a supplier's response. What is the cause of the nonconformity? What actions are going to be taken or planned to eliminate the causes and prevent recurrence of the nonconformity? What actions are going to be taken to correct the specific nonconformity? Are there other products affected, including product already delivered to the customer? What action taken to correct the weakness which allowed deficient product to be presented to the government for acceptance? And finally, what is the target dates for implementation of planned actions? These should be the minimum requested requirements for a supplier's response. There are 7 steps associated with developing and executing a corrective action request. These are: Step 1, define the problem and detail the corrective actions that need to take place to solve the problem. Step 2, conduct a root cause analysis. Step 3, define the appropriate CAR level. Step 4, determine the appropriate time to issue CARs. Step 5, determine cost, schedule, and performance impacts of the CAR. Step 6, conduct CAR status checks. And finally, Step 7, determine when the problem has been solved. These are 7 steps associated with developing and executing a CAR. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the corrective action request. For more information, please visit the webpage. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting ACT Notes.